Look at this is where I slept last night. What a view. Kinda slept in, but that's alright. My truck is running, warming up the engine a little bit because that's how diesel is, and I love the diesel sound. Look at what an amazing morning. Vancity, Vanlife, my friends, and we are here.
There we go.
So I'm here at Vancity Vanlife,
And
helping out a friend.
I'm filming him.
And I was just filming Chrome, the master, because he's doing very awesome job on the seats. So I can learn how to do my seats too. And that's a nice way to do it. But this is what I'm working on today. It's I don't even know what year is this Jeep, but all I know it's a Jeep. I'm not really a Jeep guy, but they have a dead wobble, and obviously all the ball joints and all the tie rod ends are all gone, so I just removed the tie rod ends, and I'm gonna set up later to show you how to take those bad boys out and fix this one. So yeah, so now I'm just removing the caliper from the passenger side. Driver side, it's been done. Just the 2 bolts. This is like a very basic, anybody can do. This is no science, but I'm just showing you that. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the whole assembly, because you need to do the ball joints, right? And then after that we're gonna start the reversal. Let's see if it's gonna work. Oh yeah, it's coming out good. That's it. What a hustle. There it is. Well, no, really, it's offset on the top. No. Looks the same, isn't it? This definitely looks, well, it's a little bit different here, right?
On the top side of it.
Yeah,
but the bottom side of it.
Yeah, the bottom side, when it goes in, there is, you know, is center, because we don't want to screw that one up. We're gonna see the other one now. So the job is complete, you know. Thanks for coming by, thanks for watching. If you guys really enjoy the video and help you out in any shape or way, you know, hit the thumbs up for me, you know, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see in future videos, okay? I appreciate you all. I'm really happy that you guys come and support me as a little guy. Till next time, peace out.